battle.
Okay, so probably a lot of you are thinking like, this guy's probably just like taking a while to spawn in, he's not tapping X as fast or clicking as fast to spawn in faster. But he's been like spawning in like 2 times, 3 times as long the whole fight. And this is just the only time where I can like prove that he's spawning in a lot longer. But yeah, I just thought it was quite interesting. So no, I'm not being stupid myself. I'm just showing. And here I suicide after I kill him. And you're gonna watch, and I'm gonna spawn in first. So yeah, there we go. I load in really fast. Wait a few seconds. Keep waiting. Oh, and there you go. He spawns in, even though I killed him first. So again, if you don't think he's modding, I don't know. Okay, so quickly, just another thing. He's actually using a marksman here. You can't hear it, but he doesn't miss any shot. Like literally, you can see my health go down every time I peek. It's literally like lock on. I wish I could have the sound recorded, but this guy literally did not miss any shots whatsoever. Okay, so again, I'm going to do a little commentary over for like the 5th time. Oh my god. But yeah, every time I peek, he hits every shot. Keep watching. Doesn't miss. He doesn't even shoot like straight after the other. And here I mess up because GTA 5 is shit on controller. But he doesn't even... See, look at that. He's just running around and hits me as soon as he zooms in. But he doesn't shoot like straight away. He like shoots. Like he doesn't shoot the full speed in the marksman. But this is pretty funny. Watch. He shoots while he's in his roll, which is another sign of Aimbot or kill trigger bot, something like that. And then that kill there that I got on the guy in the car, he seems to think I'm modding because of that. I don't know, he just doesn't understand how auto aim works. Because he's stupid, like every single PC player, I swear. And see, he says, "You cheating?" in the chat. I say, "How?" And he says, "You were running." So apparently I can't shoot after I run or something like that. But then again, this guy, he peeks. As soon as he peeks, he just hits me straight away. The only reason he didn't kill me then is because he switched to a grenade launcher rather than using his aimbot. And I know some people are going to say, "Oh, but maybe he's just good. Maybe he's just got good aim. This game has been out for 7 years, so maybe he has actually just played the game a lot, and he's actually just really good." So yeah, shut up if you're going to say that. But this guy literally teleports. You can see it on the minimap. He's clearly modding. So please teleport again. Oh, what's that? He just teleported straight above me. What? No way. I think this guy's just really good at the game. Yeah, maybe he's just been playing for a long time. Yeah, okay, shut up. Here I actually decided to call him out to see what he says, and he says, "How? Show some proof, please." So I guess him blatantly aimbotting, teleporting around the map, that's not enough proof. The thing is for these guys to try and hide it, but they do stuff like that. Like, do you not think I'm going to notice? So here's this guy, he says, passive. But yeah, I don't have any guns at this point. The only way to get him back is to buy him back. And this guy already has a minigun, and he's got a sniper as well, so would you look at that. I've had all my guns removed, and it's just me, not him. So, if you still don't think he's modding after watching him teleport and Aimbot, yeah. But even with the same bot, he still can't beat me, because that's what these guys do. They just have good aim, and as soon as you use actual skill, they get shit on. But you can take away my guns. You can't take away my jet though. Well, actually, technically you can kick me out the jet. But basically, I decide to run over to my jet. But before I can get in it, I get crashed.